Hello everyone, and today's topic is regarding Finland's education system. According to the recent studies, Finland is the only country where the students have both high proficiency reading and high life satisfaction. Now we will look into the points, the reason why Finland has the best education system in the world. In Finland, students start their schooling at 7 years old. Equal opportunities means students get free education from the government of Finland. Irrespective of poor and rich, everyone has the equal opportunity to acquire education. Minimal homework is given to the students so that they can allocate the remaining time for participating in the other activities and to explore more. Students in the class learn the concepts through playing. Parents and teachers don't pressurize the students to get good grades, so they focus more on learning the concepts, which improves their creative thinking. And students also have the freedom to explore more. The students in the Finland learn the concepts by doing them practically. When we involve in practicing hands-on, we can never forget the concept. So that is the methodology followed by the Finland education system. And the last one is lifelong learning. At any age, anyone can continue their education or start their education in Finland.